The number one cause of endodontic failure is what we term coronal leakage, which means leakage from the top of the tooth into the debrided, now clean root canal space. Most often, cases fail from the quality of the filling that is placed on top of the root canal procedure. Choices are composites, bonded composites, or glass ionomers, or a combination of the two. Oftentimes in large molars, where a tremendous amount of tooth structure has been lost, a dual cure composite, such as Paracore, is an excellent choice for the practitioner.